Radio as a company has had a great peak for 2020. And I think one of the reasons for that is how well we've done with the Locus bots in the Shepherdsville DC.
We can get more product and orders out the door with using the bots.
It's going to allow us to be competitive in the job markets for the associates, as well as provide increased capacities.
Radio is a turnkey e-commerce provider for brands and retailers. Radio helps retailers by providing quick time in transit to the end customer. It's all about getting the customer the product that they ordered as quickly and as accurately as possible. We're currently using Locus Robotics in our pick module to pick one of our highest volume clients, which is an apparel client, and we've really seen an increase in productivity as well as quality assurance.
COVID has very much increased the e-commerce business. It's kept us very busy around here. With the robots, we have seen efficiency gains and productivity gains.
We're seeing 35 to 40% improvement in productivity. And I think one of the main things that causes that is the fact that it's a hands-free type of picking. They're reading an iPad, it's very efficient.
When we pick with carts, it's hard on people. Versus when you're picking on these bots, you can fly through.
We have 102 robots, and they are used on a pick module that is about 160,000 square feet.
Once the bots were here, we literally unloaded them, mapped them to the DC, and off they go. The bots travel really well in our pick module. We had to do no work at all to our floor system that we have here, which is resin deck. The health and safety of our associates is always our top priority, and Locus has really been a benefit to that, especially during 2020.
The robots have helped with our safety and the COVID protocols by allowing us to space out all of our associates. It allows that social distancing.
The benefits that we've seen with Locus is it has increased our pool of people to come into the facility, with the robots being able to communicate in many different languages. It has definitely shortened the learning curve.
It's been much easier to onboard associates saying, hey, if you speak Spanish, the bot speaks Spanish. You can pick up on it easier. We are able to take somebody immediately into the robots and they're up and running in 5 minutes. My favorite thing about the bots is how easy it is to train. Telling somebody how to use a gun in 27 steps versus a bot in 3 seconds.
I love them. And I like the challenge that it shows that on the screen, you know, how good we're doing. I've had people come up and say, Tiffany, I picked 900 today. I picked 1,200. And they just try to beat it every day, which helps us.
We chose Locus for a few reasons, and one of the main things I liked was the interface that they use and the tools that they provide the management team. They have great dashboards as well as a portal that offers a variety of reporting utilities that we can use both at the supervisor and management level.
The metrics that we have available to us are in real time. I can see the picks that are taking place every hour. I can see how many units we have pushed to the robots, how our throughput is looking, and if we are on pace to hit our goals that have been set for the day.
Scaling the bots has been very easy for us. So we have what's called a base fleet that we run with year-round, which is about 53 bots, but during peak we ramped up to bring us to 103.
And it was just a matter of hours before they were fully operational and integrated into our operation.
This peak season, it seemed like we run more efficient and that we were picking faster.
We did not have to onboard as many associates, and the associates that we did have here working, we had good retention rates.
When a client comes to visit and sees automation and technology, it definitely leads them to believe that we are in the forefront of this industry, trying to do what we can to get product to the customers as quickly as possible.
I'm really excited for the future of Radial. And I think as we continue to push the envelope of new technologies in our different DCs, we're really positioned to do well in 2021 and beyond. And I certainly think Locus is going to be a big part of that.